If I simply wanna trace you, to feel your color on my hands, and if I simply can't erase you from all my simple future plans, and if I always want to call you, to hear the softness in your voice, well, I just simply want to love you and simply feel I lack a choice. I know that you feel this, and you simply are the same. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do. If we simply start a family and scrape the barrel to get by, that will simply be enough for me to find meaning in this life. We know that forever just not long enough. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do.
10 years ago, when we used to eat lunch together in high school, I would sit next to you, nervously trying to think of something clever to say.
When we say I do.
Today, I choose to spend the rest of my life with you.
I promise to dream big with you, celebrate hard with you, and be there, right there beside you, through whatever life throws our way. And I promise I will try to expand on the limited number of meals that I know how to make so that you don't always have to cook for us.
I promise that when we eat out at a restaurant, I will let you taste my food even though you didn't want to order it. I promise to never take for granted the once-in-a-lifetime relationship that we have together.
It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as me and you. Love's a symphony already orchestrated. We can sing along when we say I do. When we say I do.